What's up guys, I'm here with my boy Benny. We're about to work on his car. We need to install a 3-inch intake. Then we're gonna go for a ride along and get a walk around, but be sure to like this video and let's get to today's install. As Benny's taking out the battery right now, that's the first step. We gotta take this battery out and then we will have access to the intake and to this inlet pipe. Nice. All right, we got the battery out. Now we got to get this battery box out. Get it, Benny. Ah, nice. Weight reduction, baby. All right, so now we've got quite a bit of access. So we got to take off this black inlet pipe right here, and then we got to take off this blue intake, and then we'll replace the whole thing. Nice. So now we got the intake out. You gotta disconnect the MAF. Oh, pulling out. There we go. So the intake's out. This little black guy right here is the inlet pipe. And that's our next step. It should be free to come out. I loosened it.
All right, take these clips off.
Yep. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. There are some clips down there. Nice. Yeah, it's okay. You don't need that clip. There we go. Ooh. Oh yeah, we got to take it off the blow-off valve, but the inlet's out. The turbo's all the way down there. Hard to see, but we are ready to put the new intake in. All right, guys, this is what the stock turbo inlet looks like. This is stock, but obviously this is aftermarket, but pretty much the same thing. So we're replacing this whole setup with just one pipe. So it should be a lot cleaner and flow a lot better. Okay, so Benny's putting the intake in. Let me actually look at it one more time. There we go. All right, so we're ready to put it in. The turbo is obviously all the way down there. Guys, so as you can see, the intake is indeed installed now. It's a pretty hard clamp to get down there. As you can see, that clamp right there is in a bad location, but we tightened it really tight, so it should be good to go. Now we got to put on this MAF and button everything up, and we should be good to go, Benny. Should be good. Right, so we have the intake on now. Benny is gonna start it. Nice. Easy, Benny. How do you feel that we got this intake on?
Yeah, I feel good.
Yes. Hope you guys like today's video of this 3-inch intake install of Benny's car. We'll see which one's better.
It's coming along.
Yeah, it is. And where can these guys find you on Instagram?
Mazdaspeed.
That's
so
Speed.
T-H-A-T.
Yep.
Speed is spelled SP33D.
Nice. It'll be in the description too.